your Pradeep Chaudhary. Very good morning. Today in my class I will explain about adjectives plus prepositions. How adjectives and prepositions are used in a sentences. How can we identify? So if you see, starting with the PO2 preposition. If you see the examples, I have been married to. I have been married to my husband for 10 years. So here married is the adjective and PO2 is the prepositions. So both we mix here in these sentences. So in this way we have to use adjectives plus preposition. I have been married to my husband for 10 years. In this way we have to use. And if you see some other examples, addicted adjectives. Some adjectives end with the ed also. Adjectives addicted to someone, addicted to drinking, addicted to something. So in this way we can explain. Close adjective, and PO2 is a preposition. Close to someone, close to hero. So in this way we can explain. Different to. So different is the adjective here, PO2 is a preposition. Different from, different to from, different to someone, different to something. In the place of someone we can use person's names. In the place of something we can use things and other names also. So this is about the, and one more thing is a kind to. Kind is adjective, TO2. Kind to someone, kind to poor people, kind to is officers, kind to is students. So in this way we can explain. Married to someone. So in this way, married here adjective, TO2 is a preposition. Rude to someone, rude to is officers, rude to is employees, rude to is students, rude to is brothers. So in this way we can explain. Similar to something, similar to someone, is similar to someone, similar to something. So in this way we can use adjectives plus prepositions regarding PO2. Now regarding for. Here if you see example, England is famous for its raining weather. England is famous for its raining weather. Here famous is the adjective here and for is the preposition. So famous for its raining weather. If you see bad for something, bad for someone. Famous for is a famous for painting, is a famous for drawing, is a famous for driving, and is famous for something. In this way we can explain. So good for eating, good for painting, good for riding. In this way also. Good for something we can use, good for someone also we can use. Sorry for someone, sorry for something. Here bad is the adjective, famous is the adjective, good is the adjective, sorry is the adjective. Next one is at. Example, unfortunately I am very hard at music. Unfortunately I am very hard at music. So here add is the adjective, at is the preposition. So add at music or bad at music. Unfortunately I am very bad at music. If you see examples, good at something or good at doing something. So here good is the adjective. Bad at something. Bad is the adjective. Angry at someone. Angry is the adjective. And the next one is in. Example, he isn't really interested in getting married. He isn't really interested in getting married. So here interested adjective, in is a preposition. interested in someone in this way. Next one is on. So keen on something and hooked on something. Here keen and hooked are the adjectives. Next one of, of. Afraid of something or someone. Afraid of, capable of something or someone. Fond of something or someone. Proud of something or someone. Tired of something or someone. Afraid, capable, fond, proud, tired. All these are the adjectives. And of is a preposition. If you see example, I am very proud of my daughter. She worked very hard. And the next one is with. So here Luke is very pleased with his exam results. Luke is very pleased with his exam results. So here pleased is adjective, with is a preposition. Angry with someone or something, bored with someone or something, led up with something or someone, obsessed with something or someone, or pleased with someone or something. So angry, bored, led up, obsessed, pleased, all these are the adjectives and with is the preposition here. And next one is about. She is very excited about the party. She is very excited about the party. So you are angry about something or someone, excited about something or someone, sorry about something or someone, worried about something or someone. So here angry, excited, sorry, worried, all these are the adjectives and about is the preposition. So these are the things how we have to use adjectives and prepositions. In a given sentences, we can use adjectives plus prepositions. After adjectives, here we use the prepositions. Okay, in this way we have to use. So England is famous for married to and bad at and next interested in and proud of. All these are the examples for the adjectives plus prepositions. Thank you.